Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So, GoPro. You remember them, right? Well, they just walked into the 2026 rumor mill like, hey, remember us? We used to be cool. And honestly, this might be their comeback tour. So, Nicholas Woodman, Mr. GoPro himself. He's out here calling 2026 the year of GP3, which kind of sounds like a new Star Wars droid, but no, it's their next-gen processor. And get this, he's also calling 2026 a comeback year for GoPro. Translation, 2025 didn't go the way we planned, but we're back. And honestly, I'm kind of here for it. So 2025 seemed like GoPro just said, nah, we'll sit this year out. You know, they completely skipped their flagship release this year, which is like Canon skipping an RF lens announcement. Oh wait. Anyway, 2026 is when the big one drops. The long-awaited GoPro HERO 14 Black. The headline feature? Get this, a new GP3 chip and possibly, drumroll, a 1-inch sensor. Yeah, a 1-inch sensor in a GoPro. This is the moment that every GoPro shooter who has ever cried editing grainy night footage has been waiting for. Low light might finally stop looking like Bigfoot footage filmed on a potato. But that's not all, because GoPro is pulling a Sony and making a dedicated low light camera as well. It's rumored to be higher end, bigger sensor, cleaner ISO, and probably gonna cost your wallet at least one apology letter. And GoPro might actually be coming for the DJI Pocket 3. Rumors and patents say that they're cooking up a compact vlogging camera with a 1-inch sensor, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and hypersmooth on top of that, and modular audio and lighting accessories. That's like giving a tweaked out squirrel a jetpack and telling it to go nuts. Now, if this is real, GoPro might accidentally make the best vlogging camera of 2026. The most interesting part is that GoPro finally realized their one camera to rule them all strategy just wasn't working. So they're going with the Pokemon strategy. Gotta catch them all. Different cameras for different people. Action shooters, vloggers, low light freaks, your uncle who films fireworks way too close, everybody. And instead of dumping everything around the holidays, GoPro wants to release cameras throughout 2026. So yeah, man, 2026 is shaping up to be the year GoPro tries to become GoPro again. New flagship, new low light beast, new vlogging camera, new chip, new AI, and all new strategy. It's like they finally woke up and said, we should stop releasing the same camera every year and actually innovate. Shocking concept. I love it. I mean, the lack of innovation is the reason why I still shoot with a Hero 8 Black, because there hasn't been any real reason for me to upgrade. So let me know down in the comments which of these rumored cameras you want most, because I'm over here imagining the B-roll. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for more videos. Also, hit up my website jeff-gresham.com to pick up some of my newly released photo prints, as well as my Lightroom presets pack. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I'll see you again in the next video. Or I won't. You'll see me, I won't see you. You know how it works though.